Hello students. So today we are going to focus on objective type questions in model papers. So we're gonna start with model paper 1 part B section. So part B section deals with all 1 mark questions which are objective type with 4 options. So let us start with our first question. The focal length of a symmetrical converging lens is equal to the radius of curvature. Then the refractive index is, yes, the focal length of the symmetrical converging lens means both lenses are in the same shape on either side. So they are symmetrical. Symmetrical in design means they have same focal length. If the focal length of both the lenses are same and the radius of curvature is also same, then the refractive index will be 1.5. The condition is they have to be symmetrical in shape, their focal length and their radius of curvature. If both are same of the lenses, then their refractive index is 1.5. Let us go to the next question. After whitewashing of house, walls will appear to be brighter after 1 or 2 days. The white substance formed on the wall is, yes, you might have heard about this calcium carbonate. Chunna, we also say that. So this whitewashing is a chemical made of calcium carbonate. So the chemical formula is CaCO3. Yes. So our third question is, when a honeybee stings and injected ethanoic acid, what is used to get relief? So the options are calcium hydroxide, lemon water, common salt and soda water. So the correct answer is calcium hydroxide because ethanoic acid is acid in its nature. So when we add a base, which is calcium hydroxide is a base. So acid plus base, the reaction is neutralized. So whenever the bee stings, when ethanoic acid is entered in our body, we add calcium hydroxide to neutralize the acid. Okay, so let us go to the fourth question, which is, if D is the power lens is used for the correction of the eye defect, then the lens used is. So what type of lens is used for eye defect which has D power? The answer is concave lens. Yes, we use concave lens to correct the power of the eye defect. Right. Now, coming to the sixth question. An object is placed in front of the concave mirror. Then the object distance, image distance and magnification as per the sign convention, that is minus of object distance, positive of image distance and positive of magnification for the following one diagram is. So you have to identify according to the statement which is the diagram which matches the statement. If you read the statement, here he is saying a concave mirror, right? And it is placed at a distance of where object distance is negative and image and magnification is positive. So definitely it has to be, the object has to be between pole and focus. So you can see the C option. Here the object is between pole and focus. That is why the image is magnified and it is a virtual image. So option C is the correct answer. Now let us moving on to the next question, which is number of orbitals present in a subshell if n value is 4. Yes, n value is 4 means the subshell which is n is equal to 4, then definitely the orbitals will be 16. Right, so each shell with 4 orbitals, then 4 into 4, it is 16 is the answer. Correct diagram for the following is, you need to observe all the A, B, C and D diagrams to find out which is the correct one. If you see in the A diagram, center of curvature is before focus. So the A option is wrong. If you see the B option, focus is on the mirror. On the mirror, so focus will never be on the mirror, pole will be on the mirror. So option B is also wrong. Coming to option C, center of curvature is on the mirror. That is also wrong. If you see the option D, pole is on the mirror and in front of the mirror, focus and center of curvature is there. So this is the correct option. D is the correct option. Correct diagram from the following. If you see the correct diagram here, see, pole from the, when the light ray is incidented on the mirror, then their reflection is not shown. So option A is not correct. But if you see in option B, the ray is passing through center of curvature, and when it is incidented on the mirror, then the converging rays which is fallen on the mirror is becoming parallel to the principal axis. So in all the four options, only option B, where the converging ray when falls on the mirror, then it is becoming parallel to the principal axis. So option B is the correct answer. Now coming to the image formed when we read the paper by using magnifying glass is, yes, it is a virtual image because the image is formed in the glass and it is not formed on the screen. So that is why the image formed is a virtual image. Virtual image is the correct answer. So here we complete our model paper 1 objective type, which is on part B. Thank you so much.